Santa. Yes, this is Miss Sam. I'm trying to get in touch with Santa Claus, and it doesn't seem like I have the right telephone number. It's saying it's disconnected. Santa Claus, what? You lie. He moved to Africa? What is? Are you serious, oh? Santa Claus left the North Pole and gone to Africa. He say he too cold. He can't take it, tell anybody I get too old. What is? Well, do you have his the bloody right number? Cause he look like him leave off something off of the Christmas list for me. And me want my ties them. Oh, right. Can you connect me now? I'll have to put on my African accent. We're in Africa. Ghana. All right, put me through. Yes, I'll hold. I want this. Santa Claus moved to Africa. Am I getting it? Oh, it's ringing. Let's see what he's going to say. Hello? Santa Claus? Who's this? It's Miss Sam. Don't you recognize the voice? Yes, it's Miss Sam. Listen. It looked like you leave off a couple of things off the Christmas list. And I called because me need them. There's something there, and I've been a good girl. I said I've been a good girl now. Why don't you take up your backside and lead them up how to go to Africa? You ever hear of Santa Claus in Africa? Oh? I hope you have enough toys for those children. You better have plenty of food. Because some of them are not even eating properly. I help the mothers out to feed their children for the Christmas. So when you leave after Christmas list, let me see. I have to get my list here. Hold on. I got it here. Wait 1 minute, Santa. Be patient. I got it. It looks like it's a... Yes, it's a long list, Santa. Yes. Right, so the first thing, Santa, the dildo. You left off the dildo. Why? You know I don't have no man no more. I don't want no waste man. What am I supposed to do? Go mad? My body needs comfort. Make sure you pack the dildo. What size? I don't want nothing big. Comfortable size. Right. Use your judgment. The next thing, I need a bag of lollipops. Yes. Because I want to split it with Pinky. She likes to suck on the lollipops to take practice. Dirty girl. Santa Claus will make me laugh. What flavor? It doesn't matter with Pinky. She like everything. As long as she can put something in her mouth. Santa Claus, this conversation is getting very nasty. That is not what I called for. Just correct my Christmas list, please. Yes, another thing. Me want a Lamborghini car. Yes, so me can catch a little Thai boys them. Matter of fact, put a little Thai boy in the car and send it to me. Am I serious? I am bloody serious like a heart attack. Yes, Santa. Listen, you there, Africa, though, you live life. You know, say Africa rich with them resources. How you been? Send me the Lamborghini with a rich mandingo man. Big chairs, big wood, like donkey. Yes. Santa Claus, Betty, you're bringing out the worst in me, Sam, today. I just want to go over the list. Can I do that, huh? Are you listening to me, yo? Let's keep this clean and professional. All right. The next thing on the list, Santa Claus, I would like some stockings. No, me not talk about stockings for put ties in now. Me I talk sexy lingerie. Right. You want me Sam to stay single all the days of our life? If me still married? Yeah, me still married, and what does that mean? Me I look for husband number 5. I soon move to Africa with you, because all of you can have how many wives you want, 2 and 3 and 4 wives. So the same should go for me, Sam. I should be able to have another husband. Throw in a first class ticket for me to Africa. Let me go in the village and see if I can find my Negro husband. Yes. If we finish with the list, I want you to rush me for the phone first, Santa Claus. Let's finish with the list. Right. The next thing I would like a couple of phones and a couple of laptops, because we earn it. You know, see how much shows me do this year? Over 700. Well, me need some type of payment. Or if you know want, send me the laptop, send me some money. Right. When you have got the White House, and you and Trump are friendly here. You're inviting him to Africa. The people that would kill him. Don't do that. Do not assassinate our president. The West president. They would leave him out in the bush for all the animals to tear his ass up. Maybe that will not succeed. Anyway, Rock things to just make sure you send me. I will be telling you to send me. I'll send me somebody. Right. Okay then. Thank you, Joyce for Africa. I soon see you. Alright.